So I'm Johnny. I am an operations manager at our company. I currently manage the African region and we are across Africa, the UK and Australia. Our industry is the financial sector and specifically Forex trading. We've got outreaches, as I say, in the UK, South Africa and Australia, but currently expanding the whole way across Africa, including Zambia, Ghana, Nigeria and Zambia, and then also into Europe and Asia as well. So the roles we currently have within the UK and South Africa operations are sort of the call centre, telemarketing, appointment setting, and also we have people doing a little bit of admin in terms of our live chat function. The best thing about remote staff that I would say is having the ability to contact multiple different people regarding an issue. So there's not just one person that you say, I have an issue. You can go to recruiters, your staffing consultant, you can go to the operations director, you can go to the CEO, you can flag those issues all the way up if ever there's a problem, and also you just know that you're getting the same answer across the board, there's not that difference in opinion. Remote staff do recruitment for us as well, so they screen lots of the candidates, make sure that they can do our graveyard shift of sort of 5 PM to 2 AM as well, so that the people that we get to see when we interview are very prepared to work their shifts. We're now getting candidates through that are on par with what we would have in the UK. And also they handle a lot of the the admin in terms of paying the guys as well, because it can be quite hard sometimes to try and get a company that's going to really smooth out that entire process, and they can liaise with the team and say this is when that's going to happen, and they feel like they can talk to them to say, oh, when are we being paid, etc. So that's another major thing that really helps out as well. The most important thing for me is that level of service, so that you can almost close your eyes for 10 seconds and not have to worry about, oh my god, what's going on. So I know that there's going to be an IT guy here, I know that there's going to be recruiters working, I know that there's going to be a staffing consultant. So that means to me, if I have to go to South Africa or be in the UK and maybe not look at my emails for an hour and not have to work with the team, I know that there's going to be people on the ground, and it's that level of service that really shines through that we're really after as a company.